Hey there, it's Molly and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com working with product number 306350, Mood's red clay floral printed cotton voile. This product has an incredibly soft, creamy hand. It features no stretch and a very slight amount of give, while it is mostly translucent. This product has a crisp drape. I love this fabric. It's kind of kitschy in the nicest way. I could see it as an apron on like a 1950s TV show, but I personally would love to fashion this into the Kleinea blouse on Mood Society paired with a simple black skater skirt.